Ready to build your future? Literally? At Stanley Community College, our heavy equipment operations program puts you in the driver's seat of the machines that shape our communities. You'll learn to safely and efficiently operate dozers, loaders, scrapers, graders, and more, starting in our state-of-the-art heavy equipment simulation lab, where you can build real skills in a safe, controlled training environment. Your coursework covers construction safety, reading grades and drawings, environmental considerations, and the design and maintenance of heavy equipment. You'll also master practical abilities employers count on, like laying out level pad sites, grading dirt pads, and assessing the safety readiness of heavy machinery. Graduates are prepared for high-demand jobs with state and local agencies, as well as private contractors working in highway construction and major site development. High school graduates and qualified CCP students can enroll and start building a strong, hands-on career path in the heavy equipment industry. Take the controls. Build your future. Visit stanly.edu to learn more.